How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send view once photos and disappearing videos on Instagram step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. First, open Instagram and tap on the messages icon. Now, open the conversation where you want to send the disappearing photo or video. Tap on the camera icon in the bottom left corner. You can either take a new photo or video or upload one from your gallery. Once your photo or video is ready, look at the options near the bottom. By default, it may be set to Allow Replay, which lets the person view it twice. Tap on it, and a list will pop up for you to choose the amount of times that media can be replayed. From here, tap on View Once. Now tap Send to deliver the photo or video. The person will only be able to open and view it one time. If they take a screenshot or screen recording, Instagram will notify you automatically. And that's it. That's how you can send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram easily.